What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have a what I eat in a day. If you guys can tell by my voice, I am sick. So for the past few days, I've actually been super sick. Like, I haven't even gotten out of bed because like I just could not. Like, that's how sick I was. But today I'm feeling a lot better, and I actually had a what I eat in a day scheduled to film this week. So I'm like, you know what? The show must go on, folks. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. I figured I'm gonna come on here, do a little intro for you guys. I did already film my breakfast portion because I wanted some food in my stomach before I took my medication, and I just wasn't ready yet to film the intro. So yeah, I will play the breakfast portion for you guys, and then we'll just continue on with the rest of the day. I really need to go grocery shopping. I haven't gone grocery shopping in a little bit, and I've been too sick to go grocery shopping. So for breakfast, I didn't know what to eat. So I ended up just making some oatmeal with chocolate chips, and I only had about half of that, to be honest with you. I didn't really finish my breakfast because I'm not really a huge fan of oatmeal, and like I said, I just don't have, like, I need to go grocery shopping really bad, but I just haven't felt up to it, you know what I mean? Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna take the vlog camera around with me today and show you guys everything that I'm eating. I don't know what I'm eating today. Sometimes I wing it, sometimes I have it planned because I have meals that I want to show you guys, but today is just like, we're just winging it. I do have something planned that I really want to share with you. I have this amazing, like, I guess you could call it a strawberry parfait that I've been making for dessert with like chocolate syrup. I really want to make that for you guys today and just show you how I make that, because I have been having that for dessert the past couple nights, other than the days that I was sick, because I just did not feel like even eating dessert, which is like, what? Anyways, I am going to share that with you guys at the end of the video for dessert later on at night. And yeah, I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just play the breakfast portion for you guys, and then we'll just continue on with the rest of the day, I guess. Okay, so for breakfast, I'm gonna make some oatmeal because, to be honest with you guys, I ran out of bacon and I don't really know what else to make for breakfast. I was thinking of making a smoothie, but I'm just like, you know what, let me just make something hearty and good. Some oatmeal. Oatmeal's typically not my favorite, to be honest with you, but it is my go-to when I want something quick and healthy. Yeah, so I'm just gonna make some oatmeal, and this makes it really good when I add some chocolate chip. You're gonna need some almond milk. I'm gonna be using original. I'm not gonna be using unsweetened because the unsweetened one, like, your oatmeal just tastes really plain. Like, this at least has a little bit of sugar in it to add a little bit of sweetness, you know? So original almond milk, and also just some, this is just some quick oats, and then some Hershey's chocolate chips, milk chocolate chips. Okay, so I have just about almost a full cup. This is about 3/4 of a cup of milk, but I ended up having to switch to coconut, you guys, because the almond milk one that I just showed you, it seems like it's gone bad, which is so weird because it expires in July. So I'm like, why has it gone bad already? So weird. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use the coconut milk original that I had in my fridge, which I'm not really a huge fan of coconut milk. I don't mind it at all, so I'm not like crazy, like I'm not, you know, freaking out or anything, but it is higher calories, so I'm like, well, that sucks, you know? But whatever, gotta do what you gotta do for some last minute breakfast. This is gonna like spark or smoke up, watch. I knew it. Because I had it on the heat for so long. But anyways, now I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of oats now. Honestly, guys, feel free to like play up your oatmeal, make it fancy, put some fruit. And I know a lot of people like to put maple syrup or honey, all that fancy schmancy stuff, but I just like me some plain old oatmeal with chocolate chips. Okay, so now for the chocolate chips, I am going to weigh it just to make sure I don't put too much. There we go, 10 grams should be good enough. You guys, adding the chocolate chips is so good because they'll slowly melt, like, with the heat from the oats. Oh my god, it's so good. And then as you're eating it, you get like melted chocolate as well as a chunk of chocolate. It's delish. So it's lunchtime and we are going to be cooking with HelloFresh. So if you guys follow me on my vlog channel, then you know I'm absolutely obsessed with HelloFresh, you guys. I honestly, they have taught me so many new recipes that I use all the time. Like, I don't just make them that one time. I get to learn them and I use them all the time. So if you don't know what HelloFresh is, they're pretty much like a meal recipe subscription box. They pretty much do all the meal prepping, planning, and ingredient measuring for you. So all of your ingredients come pre-measured in the recipe bag, which I love that. It just makes it so simple, quick and easy. It also really helps you get out of your comfort zone because you're gonna learn new recipes, try new foods. All of the recipes come with a 6-step recipe card that I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit when I make I think today we're making a chicken bowl, which is really exciting because I've been enjoying bowls lately. So I'm excited to see what HelloFresh recipe has in store, but yeah, it's just super simple and easy to follow. It's also really affordable in my opinion. HelloFresh is actually now starting from $6.99 per serving, which is a bomb. But of course I have a coupon code for you guys. So you can actually get 8 free meals with HelloFresh. That's $80 off of your first month with HelloFresh if you go to HelloFresh.com and you enter my coupon code Macedo80. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below for you guys, and of course the coupon code and everything. But let's just get started because I'm hungry. Also, I think I forgot to mention this video is in partnership with HelloFresh, even though it's pretty obvious. I think I forgot to mention it, and I always do like to give that disclaimer. So yeah, thank you to HelloFresh for sponsoring today's video. So here's what we're making today. It's called the chicken yakitori style bowl. Again, like the thing with HelloFresh is you're always gonna try something interesting and different and just get out of your comfort zone, because I don't even know what a yakitori style is, but we're gonna try it today. So here's what it looks like. It looks so good, honestly. I'm pretty excited. So zucchini is in here. I don't really ever eat zucchini, so that's something new for me. So this should be good. It looks really yummy. Oh, edamame. I've never had edamame. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make the rice. I have 1 1/3 cup of water and 3/4 of jasmine rice. So I'm gonna start that and get that going because I know that rice can take a little while sometimes. So here are all of the ingredients. I got the chicken, and I love how their meats are raised without the use of antibiotics. This is super like major key. I love that. So we got all the ingredients. We have black sesame seeds, which I love sesame seeds. Edamame, never tried, so I'm excited about that. Soy sauce, some cornstarch, some green onion, and zucchini. So I'm gonna chop up the zucchini right now. Lots of green going on here. I like that. So we got the zucchini. I chopped up half of it because I just feel like I don't need a full one. Some green onion, and the edamames are here. All right, and then it said to mix the cornstarch in with the soy sauce blend, ginger, garlic, and a little bit of water. It also said to put a teaspoon of sugar, but I'm going to skip that step because it's gonna help us save some calories. I'm also going to skip the oil that it tells me to put, again, to save calories. So it's super easy to make these meals, you know, deficit friendly. So there's cornstarch in here as well, and I'm just gonna mix that all up. So we got the zucchini in here. There's nothing on here, just a little bit of oil. So I'm just gonna cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Let me separate these pieces. Cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes, and then that's it. All right, we got the chicken in here. Put some black pepper, some salt, and I also put some oil already. All right, so now that the chicken is golden, I'm gonna go ahead and add the zucchini back in. Add the edamame. And I'm gonna add that sauce that I made earlier. I'm gonna put this on low heat and then just let it kind of thicken up. Oh my god, that looks so good. All right, so the rice is done. All it wants you to do now is fluff it with a fork and add in some of those green onions. So good. And then last step, I'm gonna sprinkle some of those black sesame seeds. Look how amazing that looks. So this is what I'm having for dinner. I've showed you guys so many times how I make these pizzas, but this is pretty much just kind of on a pita bread as the crust. And yeah, I just decided to make this since it's super simple and easy. I kind of kept it simple today and just did cheese and pepperoni. And then this is a little bit of garlic sauce. All right, so here are the ingredients for dessert. It's super simple and easy. So you're gonna need some yogurt. I personally love this one. It is so good. I have tried other yogurts that have like I know this one has quite a bit of sugar in it. I've tried other ones that have less sugar, but they just don't taste good. It's honestly not a big deal to me because it's not like I'm having a full serving. I don't have a full 3/4 cup. I only have 1/4 of a cup. So it's really not a huge deal to me because like I said, I've tried other ones like Greek yogurt especially, and I just really do not like the taste at all. So it's all about balance. So I like this one. And then I'm just gonna chop up some strawberries. These ones are organic. And then just some good old Nesquik chocolate syrup. So for the yogurt, like I said, I have about 1/4 of a cup. So I usually know that like 2 big tablespoons is about 1/4 cup. I just know this because I'm used to making it, so like I kind of eyeball it now. And then I'll just pick out a couple strawberries. To be honest, these ones are like super big, so I think that 3 is good enough. Honestly, I don't think I need this other one because I feel like that's good enough. And then lastly, I'll just take some of the chocolate syrup and I just drizzle a tiny bit, like literally for 1 second. And then that's pretty much it, you guys. It's so good. All right, so I am going to film the outro now just because I know later on at night I'm probably just gonna really wanna relax. I'm also gonna be editing this video at the same time, like after I film each portion. So I just know at night I'm gonna really wanna relax, especially because I am still a little bit sick. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I ate today. By this time you guys would have already just seen the little strawberry parfait like dessert that I just told you guys about in the intro. So good, you guys. That dessert is so good. And I love that it's like healthy too. Like you're getting your fruit in. Obviously, you know, it has sugar, but like whatevs, you know, you're not gonna die with eating a little bit of sugar at night. It's called balance. And you can feel free, of course, to like swap out that yogurt for like Greek yogurt and something healthier. But I've tried the healthier yogurts and I just can't do it. So by all means, if you can do it, you go, girl, but I cannot do it. They just taste so plain and gross. Anyways, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what I ate today. Don't forget to check out HelloFresh, you guys. I genuinely love them. I make their meals all the time. They have taught me how to cook so many meals that I literally make all the time. And I'll make the meals for people and they're like, oh my god, this is so good, Amy. And I'm just like, yeah, thank you, I'm a chef. No, but really HelloFresh taught me. Like literally they teach me so many recipes that has me out here looking like a full-on chef. So definitely check them out. I'll leave the link in the description box and the coupon code of course as well. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.